Most training gets built backward. Content first, strategy later. That's why results never follow. Here's how to fix that in 8 sharp steps. Step 1. Start with a pre-assessment. Uncover knowledge gaps before you build anything. Use a short digital quiz or survey to map out what your learners need and what they already know. Step 2. Set clear learning goals. Use those insights to define what success looks like. Write outcome-based objectives, what learners will do differently after training. This sets the direction for your course content and format. Step 3. Prioritize and organize key topics. Don't overload your course. Group content into clear, focused sections, 3 to 5 per course. Each one should connect directly to a learning goal. Step 4. Design for adult learners. Now, shape your content for adult brains. Make it practical. Let learners explore at their own pace. Use real-life scenarios over theory dumps. That's how adults retain and apply knowledge. Step 5. Create scalable digital learning assets. Now it's time to build. Instead of handouts and guides, create animated videos that clarify complex ideas, interactive screens with feedback, and micro scenarios that simulate real decisions. This makes your training accessible, engaging, and reusable. Step 6. Add interaction and visual learning. Don't just tell, let them try. Use quizzes, drag and drop, choose your path challenges. Design visual layouts that guide focus and reduce overload. This keeps learning active and boosts retention. Step 7. Structure for smart pacing. Now bring it all together. Break lessons into 5 to 10-minute modules. Use smart sequencing and progress markers so learners don't feel lost or overwhelmed. Step 8. Track performance and improve. Finally, evaluate. Use built-in quizzes, tracked interactions, and learner feedback to measure results. And if it's not working, you'll have data to fix it. Training content? You've got it. Training people actually remember? That's where we come in. We turn just content into visual-first learning that actually sticks. Follow for bite-sized tips, or drop us a line when you're ready to level up.